Parashas Zachor. There is a mitzvah for the Torah to hear Parashas Zachor each year, by which we remember that the nation of Amalek tried to do to us in the Midbar, and Hashem saved us. Okay, so it is mitzvah from the Torah, but as we said many times, women are not obligated in all of the mitzvahs from the Torah because it's because of time bound. Okay. There is much debate as to whether a woman is obligated to go to shul to hear the Torah reading of the Zachor. The reason to exempt women from women would be that it's not way of the women to fight in a war, and the mitzvah of remembering Amalek is connected to the mitzvah of eradicated Amalek. So before we continue, let's try it from Chinuch, Sefer HaChinuch. So it's very, very interesting, right? Okay, we understand that we have to remember, but women usually they do not fight. So let men go and learn about what they're obligated, right? Obligated to eradicate the Amalek. Women are not obligated, right? So it's very interesting. And plus I would say that it's connected to time. It's very connected to time. It's very, very specific time. So in other mitzvahs, so even though, like we said, even though she has the whole day to do the mitzvah, right? Since it is connected to time, okay, she's not she's not obligated, right? But this here in this Parashas Zachor, it's a specific time. It's like whenever they read the Torah and after they do maftir, so that's a very specific time. Okay. Okay, continue. Others contend that women can assist in a battle in other ways, such as providing food and drink, or by offering medical assistance. For food and drink, yes, they can assist that, but there are usually men that, especially men that not qualified to go into the battle. That's what they do. They do provisions, they build roads, they do like prepare ammunition and other things. Okay. Due to the latter opinion, it is customary for women to attend Torah reading and hear Parashas Zachor. Okay, some attend, some don't attend, but okay. So basically, if she can go, she should. But if not, if it's too hard and to this or to that, no obligation whatsoever. Okay. Continue. Machatzis HaShekel. Okay. On the afternoon of Ta'anis Esther, it is customary to donate 3 coins to tzedakah. Each coin should be one half of the basic unit of the local currency. In the United States, it would mean the $50. $3.50. This is to commemorate the mitzvah of giving Machatzis HaShekel in the time of the Beis HaMikdash. We give 3 coins because the word truma, portion, is stated 3 times in a parasha that discusses the giving of Machatzis HaShekel. Okay. There is a dispute whether a woman must give these 3 coins. Many women have the custom that their husband or father give on their behalf. Likewise, it is customary to give 3 coins per person for children as well. And it's actually our custom as well. So you don't have to do it in the shul only, right? Because how today this money is spent, right? In olden days, all of these three coins were used, like 3 half coins, right? were used for to buy the daily offering tamid, right? From the whole nation. So all of the people in the nation had to participate, and some money was used for upkeep of the temple and for the other things, right? But today, since we don't have all of this, the money is usually given to poor people, right? To like extra. It's not gift of the poor. This is separate fund. Let's put it this separate fund, but they're still given to poor people. So you can give it online. There is no problem. Rabbi Reuven Shlita had a campaign, and you can give then, and you're there, and you know for sure it's going to go to the poor people, to the truly religious and poor people, for sure. Right, and our custom is also give for each soul. For each soul, you have children, you have babies, you have your grandma. She does not know how to give, so just give for her also, right? Some rabbis recommend to convert it into the silver. Meaning what? So you know how much silver, like in grams, right? Was in each half a shekel. So you convert into today's money, and you give that amount. But if you don't have money, this and that, so you can always still give like half a dollar, like like $1.50 if you live in the States or wherever you live in that currency. Okay. So continue. So, but if you want to give it in shul, you can give it to shul. So it's going to usually go to the shul maintenance or to poor people or whatever they decided to do. It's their own business.